What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Capitalist Investor YouTube channel, back with another video. Today I'm bringing you my May monthly dividends I have received. Fewer than I was perhaps expecting, although I have seen some significant dividend cuts within my portfolio. As always, guys, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button if you are new here and smashing the like button to help me get this content out to more people. I'm on a journey to 200 subscribers, and it's great to have each of you fantastic, like-minded people on the journey with me. That being said, guys, let's jump into dividend payment number one. Dividend one is AT&T, which at the time of payment I had 6 shares. I was just short of 42 pence per share. As you can see, withholding tax of 15% has eaten into my take-home monies, but £2.13 is £2.13 at the end of the day. This was the first payment I received on the 1st of May 2020, a good start and a solid dividend payer. On to dividend number two, AbbVie, and as most of you will know, is one of my favourite stocks. It's one of the stocks with the most capital appreciation in my portfolio, and is a company I love. I'm definitely looking to add to my position in AbbVie in the near future. On the ex-div date, I had 3 shares in AbbVie, each paying 97 pence. After the rubbish withholding tax of 50%, I was left with £2.47. This was paid to my free trade portfolio on the 15th of May. Dividend number 3 is now my largest position in the portfolio. It's also another one of my favourites. It's Starbucks, not only a company I know well from the amount I spend on coffees when I'm in the office, but also a great dividend paying company. At the time of paying the dividend, I held 10 shares, paying 33 pence per share. Taking off that withholding tax again, the remaining balance was £2.82. You can see so far my free payments have each had that 15% tax taking off. What you can see from my portfolio is I do have UK dividend paying stocks, but a lot of them have been cut. I've picked some large US stocks to hold up the dividend in times like these, and will hope some of the UK stocks start to pull their weight shortly. The final dividend for the month of May was UK Gilts Fund, which is finally a UK paying dividend, so no withholding tax. 20 shares on the ex-div date at 8 pence per share meant a reasonable £1.55 received. It may not be a large amount at the moment, but these dividends are reinvested and therefore will start to compound as time goes on. So far for the month of May, we received dividend income of just short of £9 at £8.97, which is not life-changing, but is free income back to the portfolio and is also reinvested in more dividend stock. It has been a frustrating past couple of months in regards to these dividend payers. Many of my portfolio have chosen to, or been forced to, cut their dividends. For example, I have a heavy exposure to Lloyds Bank, for instance, who were forced to cut their dividend. Some other notable holdings in my portfolio include BT. I'm expecting this theme to continue, although it must be remembered that I am investing for the long term, and therefore I believe these dividend stocks will be returning to paying at some point in the future. For now, I will just accumulate as much as I can and take advantage of the cheap prices to accumulate more stocks, which will in the future pay more dividends. Thanks for being the best community on YouTube and supporting the channel. It does really mean the world to me and encourages me to make more videos. Be sure to let me know how much dividend income you made in the month of May below, and I'll be sure to reply to all comments. Remember, nothing in this video constitutes financial advice, and you should only invest upon doing your own research and assessing your own risk tolerance. This video is for educational purposes only. Thanks for sticking with me today in today's video, which is a very short video but covers all of the dividends that I've received in the month of May. I plan to do an update video each month, just showing you how much I receive each month, and hopefully can demonstrate the compounding effect of dividends being reinvested on my route to passive income and financial independence retiring early. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Until next time, peace.